This yogurt's kinda bland. Maybe there's a trick to make this yogurt taste better. Bow down, world. Genius Kitty has arrived. I'm pretty sure I left that magical, super yummy, insanely delicious hotel-level flavor sauce around here somewhere. Whoa, was this sauce always this blue? It looks like alien jelly, but tastes like heaven. This sauce looks terrible, but why does it taste so good? Oh, I think something's happening. Maybe it's time to be someone totally different for once. My magic is bubbling up like crazy. Here comes the miracle magical super pretty transformation time. Let's keep this our little secret.